You might be asking, ano ba ang pakiramdam ko nung na-interview ko si Stel ng SB19 sa CTV Exclusives? Well, here's my response. Nabitin ako pero it was all worth it at the end. Yes, it was all worth it na I waited 5.5 years na ma-interview kahit isa sa SB19, pero I just want to say, guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta na binigay sa CTV Exclusives at sa CTV Philippines nung interview ko with Stel. Kanina na-air yun. It was aired nung kanina yun. But the interview was done last January 19 sa Wish Music Awards. And I want to say to all of you, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Lahat na ng thank you in different languages. Hindi ko nga mabanggit lahat in 1 minute 30 seconds. Pero, and also, special regards kay Arthur Neri, Apple Diap, Noel Cabangon, at yung mga iba pang na-interview ko. Pero may mga iba na hindi nakarating dahil corrupted ang file. But in a sense na you can say na it was all worth it na pumunta ng Araneta at mag-commute papunta doon. The struggle is real, but it was all worth it. Yun ang masasabi ko dito sa nangyaring interview ko. Mapapanood yung mga interviews ko sa CTV Exclusive YouTube channel, and sa CTV Philippines too.